is we're up in the woods. What's up there? That's what I put in my video. We're up in the woods. There's Lucy, my dad. There's Nitro, my one. It's like they're doing a race. There's my dad up there. There's my... There's my mum up the top with the mum up there. Dad there, mum up there, Dodds. Nitro, Lucy, that's someone else. We're up woods, the Bine, Wall, the Third, and it's about for primary school. There's woods up the top, you just go through there, get entering the Wood family. I went, shh, Lucy! I'm going back up to the stone. I'm going back up to the stone. Here's a stick here. I just want a weapon. This one's shite. What? Oh, please, I'm gonna...
Alright, have a nice evening.
Ah, she just bit me!
Right, see you later. Right, come on. Go and get Dad.
It's on video, there's my weapons.
Go and get Dad then.
John, my normal one. So yeah, we've just got my weapons. If anybody attacks me, I got my weapons. Let's see, leave my sticks on. She just wants... And then, can we have one, Mum?
No, we've got 2 doggies and these are more puppies.
Oh, you know. Dogs for life, guys. If you have 2 dogs, don't get any more. This is going on YouTube, Mum, and I put you and Dad in it. I put you and Dad in it on YouTube video. I'm doing it. I put them in it.
Cats are smelly things.
Yeah.
Dogs are beautiful.
Because cats like normally like pee and poo at your house, so
Exactly.
that's just the warning.
All the time and look after you.
Like dogs, you can take them out. Dogs, you can take them out and have fun with them, train them, throw the ball and all that. You can do much thing with dogs, but
And they like your bathwater, don't they?
yeah, it's like when my mum or my dad or me are in the bath.
Yeah.
They like come and like try and get in the bath. It's like weird. Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah. Good dog.
But cats are just hideous. Dogs, you can go anywhere with dogs, anywhere. He sometimes...
Like your 2 doggies and that's just
The black and white one, Nitro, that one's okay. This one normally be sick in the car.
Name your dogs on YouTube, Ellie.
But
Or give out your address or anything.
she just not like runs about the car, eh? Lucy just runs about the car mad.
I don't know.
Go, go. Can you video me, Mum?
Don't do this.
Dodge steering now.
Don't turn it off.
Okay. Right, well,
Hey,
I've got you.
my mum's recording. But it's just pretty cool. Up here is amazing. Let's see the down. Up here
You walking up with Daddy?
pretty amazing. There's lots of things up here. My new school's getting built.
Yeah, in your high school, isn't it? And the new primary and all the shops. You'll be going to primary 7, you'll be going in there to high school.
Yeah, I'll be going in high school. It's like you have like in classrooms that are all glass around it.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's going to be a fabby school.
New schools you get built in there.
That's right.
So
New school, shopping precinct.
new school and new house and new roads. So I'll have to like.
Then we'll need to try and get a house up here then.
I'll have to like try and
A
get
better
house
one.
up here.
Yeah,
Down all the way down there.
yeah.
Not all the way up here. So I'll have to get a new.
Well, you've got a new house up
Oh,
here.
all the new houses will be for sale.
Yeah.
So we just want to get one.
Yeah.
If you want to join the new school, what you want is the new houses.
Yeah.
Because the new school's going to be amazing.
What's she in? Grass.
My daughter's in that.
Grass. She's mad.
So guys, I'm going to do now because we're sick and tired of talking. And I'll see you guys probably when we go back home. Bye guys.